Well, good day everyone and welcome back. This morning it's about 5:45 a.m. The tide has just turned and started to come in, and we are down at the wharf in Eden. It's the only chance I have to fish today. I got a lot going on. Probably got about 2.5 hours. Supposed to have a guest with me, hoping he shows up. So, bit of fun. We're gonna fish until about 8:30. And fingers crossed we get into something. Well, I got a little bite and reeled it in, and it was a real little bite. This is one of those little scorpion fish, rock cod, red rock cod, but we'll be careful with him and get him back. This is about the size of the ones I've caught before. Just a real little guy, but there we go. Away he goes. Simon just got here. Ah, he got a nice little yakka.
Oh.
You handle them like me. So there's a group of guys in Ohio that watch it, and when they watch my videos, they get together now and they have a bottle with shot glasses. Every time I drop a fish, they take a drink. And I said one of those videos they'd been pretty drunk after about 10 minutes.
That was good last night. I only had a couple of beers and watched a little snapper.
Oh yeah, little snapper. There you go.
Wish it was about 4 times as big.
Yes.
And I didn't drop it.
Sorry guys. There we go. Sun's just coming up over the little hill here. It's actually a very nice morning. A little chill in the air, but not too bad. Another month we won't have to worry about that chill at all either. So a couple more hours. Hopefully we'll get into something bigger. Come on, big fish, come in. There we go. We got into, oh, a nice trevally. So 3 fish, 3 different fish for you.
That's right. Oh, I dropped that one.
Well, we got something. He's not very big. It's not very big, but we got something. He's even coming in funny. Yeah, little snapper. There we go. There we are, just a little guy. Just a dink fest so far this morning. Hopefully they get a bit bigger. Away he goes. Simon onto another. What you got this time? Another little snapper.
Doesn't matter what I try. Oh, gee, that was barely on.
There we go. Well, no big fish so far, but been plenty busy. But hopefully here in the next hour we get something with some size. Something we can have for dinner. Well, I didn't get him, but something really took a go at him. So hopefully he comes back. We'll get him back out there. Hopefully. Yeah, decent sized trevally. That's all right. That'd be pretty close to legal.
Come on. Well, 25 centimetres, isn't it?
Yeah, 25.
No.
No? No?
Just under.
Okay. Nothing like a trip to the ocean and catching a puffer fish.
Well, another species.
Another species, yep. Definitely no shortage of fish this morning. Just nothing with any size. A bit of fun. You can see them coming in.
A little snapper.
Little snapper.
I think they're getting smaller.
They're not getting bigger. No, that's a tiny guy.
I think this is the smallest one so far. Oh well, one day it will be big.
Yeah, that's true. There we go. We got an ooh. Oh, that might be something better. Oh, he's trying to get under there. Oh, another trevally. They are getting bigger though.
Fish are getting bigger.
Look at them all down there. Holy moly. So it's time for me to go. So I just threw the bait out that I had on this rod. A couple of good sized trevally down there, but a lot of yakas. Very cool. Love watching the fish. Well, unfortunately, that's my time. I've got the quarterfinals of the pairs in balls going on this morning, so I had to get here early and get out early. But it was very nice meeting up with Simon. Very nice man, loves to fish. Probably outfished me 2-1 at least this morning. So, but we caught several species, and even though nothing was too big, we had a good time. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And until next time, keep fishing.